Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Rowland Heights, local and long-distance movers near me. The right long-distance movers might take the pain out of moving day. You get to focus on other parts of your move while we handle the transportation of your things. Whether it's a 100-mile move or a 2,500-mile move, we have the right services for your needs. With the basic moving services, you can get there where you need to go. We also offer all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing the right California moving company offers a great way to avoid the heavy lifting. We provide you with the services you need for your local move. Even if you're just going down the road, our team can get you there faster. You get to settle in quicker, and you'll have more energy when you hire a local moving company. A professional moving company such as 3 Movers will help you get moved quickly. We streamline the process for you and can make moving a breeze. If the move will take you all weekend to complete, we can get it done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rowland Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.